In the gentle folds of everyday exchanges, nothing is as universally familiar, yet strikingly diverse, as the simple act of saying hello. Imagine, if you will, the soft chime of a bell in a small Nepali village as an elder greets you with Namaste, hands pressed together as if in prayer. Contrast this with the enthusiastic cheek kisses exchanged on a bustling Paris street. These rituals, often unthinking for locals, reveal a tapestry of cultural values, history, and social norms that offer not just a greeting, but a gateway into the heart of a community. In this journey of words, from the melodious to the muted, we explore the kaleidoscope of greetings that humans have crafted to acknowledge one another, weaving connection across the globe. In the shadowed foothills of the Himalayas, the word namaste resonates with spiritual and cultural significance. Traditionally accompanied by a gesture known as the Anjali Mudra, palms pressed together at the chest. This greeting transcends the simple exchange of hellos to convey deep respect and acknowledgement of the soul in another. Guided by principles of Hinduism and Buddhism, which stress the interconnectedness of all beings, namaste literally means I bow to you. Dr. Ananda Sharma, a cultural historian in Kathmandu, explains, "In this gesture and word, we acknowledge the divine spark within every individual. It's a greeting that elevates both the greeter and the greeted. This act, when performed sincerely, commands a quiet pause, a moment of genuine connection in the rush of daily life, creating a reflective space in even a simple meeting."
Walk through any French city at greeting time and you'll observe a dance of sorts, the swift, elegant motion of cheek kissing, known as la bise. Often perceived by outsiders as a charming yet bewildering spectacle, this custom involves a rhythmic exchange that varies dramatically from one region to another, sometimes involving 2, sometimes 4 kisses. Dr. Nicole Girard, a sociologist in Lyon, notes that la bise could be seen as a barometer of social relations in France. It's both a personal interaction and a public ritual. This greeting not only serves as a personal touch but also as a litmus test for the relationship's intimacy. Indeed, the number of kisses exchanged can suggest anything from casual acquaintances to deep family ties, making each greeting a unique expression of the relationship's depth.
In the United States, the hug can be considered a cornerstone of social interaction, especially among friends and family. Surprisingly versatile, it can convey everything from congratulations to comfort, encapsulating a diversity of emotions within its warm embrace. Experts like Dr. Emily Markowitz, a psychologist specializing in nonverbal communication, believe that hugging not only strengthens personal connections, but also has health benefits. Hugging releases oxytocin, the so-called cuddle hormone, which can relieve stress and improve mood, she explains. Far from just a casual squeeze, a heartfelt hug is a profound gesture of kinship and comfort in American society, embodying a sense of belonging and mutual support.
Venture into Japan and you enter a world where the bow, or ojigi, rules as the quintessential gesture of respect and humility. From a slight nod of the head to an intense bend at the waist, the depth and duration of the bow are indicative of the relationship's social hierarchy and the situation's formality.
As Dr. Kenji Tanaka, a Tokyo-based anthropologist, points out, the bow is not merely ceremonial, it is a profound expression of deference and a gesture that promotes social harmony. Whether in temples, businesses, or homes, this timeless practice speaks of politeness and respect ingrained in Japanese culture. This meticulous choreography reflects organizational and social structures, underscoring the cultural premium placed on respect and etiquette. Salam, an Arabic word that means peace, is more than just a verbal greeting. It's a wish, a blessing, and a profound recognition of the other. Spread across various countries in the Middle East, the practice frequently accompanies the phrase "As-salam alaikum," which means peace be upon you. This greeting holds spiritual weight, echoing Islamic teachings of community and harmony. Counselor Amina Zahid in Cairo elucidates. When we say salam, it's a reminder of our shared desire for peace and unity. It's verbal, but deeply heartfelt. In the simple exchange of this greeting, there is a powerful reaffirmation of mutual respect and a shared hope for tranquility. Perhaps one of the most subtle yet universal forms of greeting is the eyebrow flash, an abrupt raising of the eyebrows. Often unconscious and fleeting, this signal transcends linguistic barriers, forming an instant, albeit temporary, connection between people. Interestingly, anthropologist Dr. Laura Jenkins from the University of Hawaii observes, while the eyebrow flash is nearly universal, its interpretation can be culturally dependent. In some places, it's merely an acknowledgement. In others, it can be an invitation to converse. This nuance turns a simple facial movement into a complex interplay of social cues, revealing the intricate ballet of human nonverbal communication. In New Zealand, the traditional Maori greeting known as the hongi serves as a poignant symbol of unity and shared life. It involves the pressing of noses and foreheads together, allowing participants to share a breath of life, or ha. This gesture is rooted deeply in Maori philosophy. The hongi connects us directly to one another and to the past, explains Maori cultural advisor Tamaho Haya. It's a physical reminder that life is shared, breathed together, not individually. Through the hongi, the Maori convey profound respect and connectedness, highlighting a deep, almost sacred communal bond. In the Philippines, mano po is a gesture of reverence primarily done by the youth towards the elderly. It involves taking the elder's hand and bringing it lightly to one's forehead as a sign of respect. This act, deeply embedded in Filipino culture, symbolizes the deference and high esteem in which elders are held. Dr. Lourdes Santos, a cultural anthropologist in Manila, explains, mano po is a beautiful expression of Filipino values, emphasizing respect for elders and the importance of family ties. This time-honored tradition not only underscores the societal respect for wisdom and age, but also fosters a deep intergenerational connection within the family, enhancing the social fabric of Filipino life. In exploring these diverse greetings, we journey through the world's collective living room, witnessing the myriad ways humanity says hello. Whether through touch, words, or even a shared breath, these greetings are the first step towards understanding and appreciating the rich cultural landscape that shapes our global community. In the gentle folds of everyday exchanges, nothing is as universally familiar, yet strikingly diverse as the simple act of saying hello. Imagine, if you will, the soft chime of a bell in a small Nepali village as an elder greets you with namaste, hands pressed together as if in prayer. Contrast this with the enthusiastic cheek kisses exchanged on a bustling Paris street. These rituals, often unthinking for locals, reveal a tapestry of cultural values, history, and social norms that offer not just a greeting, but a gateway into the heart of a community. In this journey of words, from the melodious to the muted, we explore the kaleidoscope of greetings that humans have crafted to acknowledge one another, weaving connection across the globe. As our exploration of global greetings comes to a close, we hope you've been inspired by the beautiful variety of ways people connect and communicate across different cultures. If you enjoyed this journey and would like to discover more fascinating cultural insights, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, A Mindful Spirit, and click the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Engaging with us helps support the channel and encourages us to bring you more unique and enlightening content from around the world. Share your thoughts in the comments below. What was your favorite greeting and why? Or perhaps you have a unique greeting from your culture that you'd like to share with our community. Let's continue the conversation and deepen our understanding of each other. one greeting at a time. Remember, every interaction is an opportunity to learn, to connect, and to travel the world from the comfort of your own home. Join us again soon on A Mindful Spirit, where curiosity leads to discovery.